Greetings from the black holes of Dakota Territory, United States of Advertising, otherwise known as the Ice Kingdom. At least it sure is underneath my deck. You ought to see that mess. But you don't want to walk on it, not without spiked shoes or something like that, because I've already gone down twice on that ice in my own driveway, and I'm lucky I didn't get injured. It's just because I'm only a shrimpy, wussy little 115 pounds. There ain't that much mass to hit. But this message specifically is for Todd, who sent me an email indicating his interest in getting back into CW. That's Morse code in ham radio, by the way, for those of you who don't know. My only word to you, Todd, is get on, and W1AW has plenty of good code practice. That's how I built my code speed up way back in the days when I was a speed freak. That was something like 1975. And I did their code practice all the way up to 35 words a minute. Finally, one night, got certified at 40 words a minute. You don't have to go that far, but W1AW is there for you to build your code copying speed up, and I recommend you copy it, just like with a pen and paper, the old-fashioned way. That's the best way. You'll automatically then learn how to read it in your head. And as for sending, I like the Vibroplex vibro keyer, electronic keyer paddle. If you want to use a keyboard, you can, but it's more of an art in CW if you use the old mechanical devices to make your code with your hand. So get busy and get yourself practiced up, and get as far as a sked from here. There's some complications with that, but it's never out of the question. And whatever, I'm around if you need any tips or advice for CW ops. I'll make videos about them and relay on to the rest of the ham radio world my great store of knowledge, my own personal forte. I majored in CW at the University of Minnesota in 1976. Stan Gibilisco, proprietor and operator of amateur radio station W1GV, Whiskey 1, Good Vibrations, saying 73, which means best regards, and so long for now.